Welcome. In this video, I will be reviewing a few stocks that were asked by our members in our InfoAir live stream. We have also covered one stock that is giving a buying opportunity in this video. So stay tuned to know more about that stock. We also have a couple more buying opportunities in stocks and that is posted in our Discord server. You can join our server using the first link in the description. In our server, we have regular buying opportunities posted, discussions around stocks, as well as conduct the InfoAir live stream. Going on to the first stock, that is HDFC Bank. Leading bank of India and the leading stock of our market. HDFC Bank is a hot favorite stock of all mature investors. Widely held by almost all the mutual funds with big exposure. On ranking, HDFC Bank turned weak in early 2021 and had been going through a continuous slide on its earnings rank. With current earnings rank at 30, this says that there are 70% stocks in the market that are better than HDFC Bank. Clearly not a good stock for now. On price rank 2, it has had a very poor performance in the last 1 year. Though the stock price went up between September and October 2021, it was not so great when compared to other stocks in the market which have done far better than HDFC Bank. It has also developed good weakness when it made a higher high in October 2021, which brought an end to its bullish journey. Coming on to the charts, HDFC Bank lost volume strength post March 2021 and has been going through a sideways consolidation. When in consolidation, stocks tend to test patience and keep giving losses. The weakness it developed in October 2021 turned the stock down significantly. Even the October 2021 high came after 7 months of consolidation, testing the patience of investors. Now, at buy levels, HDFC Bank has a potential to give one more upside, which can be a small profit making opportunity. Wait for some strength to get built in its price and then look for a buy. The next stock is Jindal Steel, one of the leader stocks in the metal sector, which went into a good bullish run. China made the world commodities market get hot and that results in big profits for metal companies. Like day and night cycle, every good event will be followed by a bad one. Demand for metals slowed down as prices escalated, which brought a breather to the euphoric rally the metal stocks were going through. Jindal Steel was one of the toppers in its business performance. It had its earnings rank at close to 100 for more than 9 months now. The ranking has now begun to give way, though not a concern yet as good results are expected to come up. With Tata Steel giving a 3-fold jump in its profit and Hindalco giving a thumping 9 times increase, Jindal Steel is also likely to follow suit, which can keep the stock at the top. On the price rank, after a peak in May 2021, it began to decline. When price goes into consolidation, ranking will also lose strength. Now at 57, price rank shows that there are more than 40% stocks in the market which are better than Jindal Steel. This gives a message to investors that you need to make a choice of sticking to this stock or move to a better one. Coming to the charts, on the higher monthly chart, Jindal Steel has a long consolidation, which is not a good pattern for short-term investors. After a good peak on the weekly chart, the stock went into a abrupt silence, giving many failed up moves. Many failed attempts to go up also took the stock out of its bullish trend. When there is no trend, it brings higher risk of losses. So, in current condition, though the metal sector is giving out good results, one needs to be cautious while investing into the metal stock. It is good to wait for a breakout with good volume and then take position. Until then, it is good to invest in some other trending stocks that can give us some good profits. The next stock is Dilip Buildcon or DBL, one of the largest and fastest growing road company in India. A company that was a top performer in 2017 market rally, now not so great on its profit numbers. Its earnings rank is at 9 and had consistently been below 50 in the current season. When earnings rank is below 20, it shows that the company is a poor performer in the whole market. Price rank currently at 54 has gone through some wild swings, which was due to the stock price increase, which could have happened due to expectations of better performance, and when that was not seen, it has slid down. Though above 50 on PR's ranking, with very low earnings rank, it is a risk to invest in the stock now. Coming to the charts, DBL developed pretty good weakness when its price reached 750 peaks in mid-October 2021. From there, the stock has given up and took a downhill ride. Now, Though it has not turned bearish, DBL has lesser probability of having a stronger rally from here. It can hold a range of 690 to 540, and within this range it will give some trade opportunities. So DBL is now a trader stock for short gains and not an investor stock. The next stock is IDFC First Bank, which was expected to be the next HDFC, a very big dream that markets expected. The bank seems to have lost its ground. Earnings rank at 6, a pathetic order for a company that had so many dreams from its investors. Profits for the bank is negative for the last 2 quarters. Without profit, stocks will not move up. Price rank 2 is below 50 at 40, which is also not a good position to take an investment decision. Investing in the best is always good, so that we have an edge to make best returns. Coming to charts, IDFC first had a good surge in early 2021. It reached a peak of 70 levels in March 2021. After that, the stock has almost made a crash landing. The impact of the drop was so intense that IDFC First is now in a range move, which is getting tighter and tighter with every passing day. Volumes have also got depleted in the stock, which shows low interest from investors in this stock. Our choice would be to write off IDFC First for now. If in the future it comes with good results, then we can look for investing. The next stock is ICIL or Indocount, a textile stock which had been pretty good in the market post-pandemic. Textile as a sector is gaining strength. We have a few more textile stocks in the top ranks, and ICIL also ranks at the top on its earnings rank. At 81.50 and holding the top position for a good long time, ICIL is a good stock to hold till its growth keeps pace. On price rank, ICIL is just above 50. Though not a good place, this was due to the recent correction the stock went through. A healthy correction to book some profits and reload some exposure. PRS rank has moved up 15.7% in the last week, which is a positive sign showing that the stock is gaining attention in the market. Coming to the charts, ICIL had a good correction from its mid-October peak, whereas there is some good news here that even after the big drop, it has not lost its bullish trend. Now with the price turning up, ICIL has a good buying opportunity this week. We can buy ICIL when its price moves above 272.40 for a target above 315. It should have some small resistance at 286 levels, which we should watch for. As price reaches there, if it has good volumes at 286, continue to hold for 315 or take exit if volumes are low. With overall strength building up in the textile sector, ICIL looks promising for a good run from here. Thank you for watching. That's it from my side, and I'll see you next week.